A beautiful private beach here. That's what I'm talking about. I was wondering if I can sneak out and go there or jump here, but I can't. I don't want to go in jail. Look at that. I want to show you how beautiful here. The sun is up, you know? It's beautiful. What's your view? Hey guys! So, it's kinda hot today. There's no sun, diba? So, there's no signal. I'm going to look for a spot to get the signal. Hopefully, there is like, you know, a good signal spot in the area. But look at the view. So we're going to other area. Ouch. So sorry. So yeah. I remember actually I think I sit here the last time. Yeah, but it's already like, you know, high tide. I hope you can hear me, guys. Diba? The only problem here in Occidental is there's no internet connection, so we need to find one. Hopefully here. I don't know. Hopefully. By the way, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. The last time I have, you know, subscribers is only like, I think 1,900, and now it's already 2,000 plus. Hopefully, I can get more subscribers. Thank you to Cataline. I don't know if you can hear me well because of the waves. So, yeah, we're going to that way so we can get some good signal. Oh, by the way, this is the sanctuary of the turtles. Sea turtle hatchery site. Do not climb, you can't go inside. So yeah, look at that. They hatched I think last month, and then they actually run here going to the ocean. So yeah, hopefully guys you can hear me. I really don't know because I'm just using my GoPro. So yeah, hopefully the battery is still okay. So yeah, hopefully we can find some you know, signal. If you wanna, you know, retire in Philippines, maybe you should check it out, Occidental Mindoro, because oh my gosh, I hope I'm not lost. Let's see. Oh my gosh, like look. Hopefully I'm right. I really don't know. Because I'm looking for you know, good signal. Hopefully this is the right way. Yeah, hopefully I'm not lost, diba? Oh no. Okay, let's try. Okay, I'll update you when actually. Oh my gosh, it's kind of scary. The last time there's a snake here, small snake. Hopefully this one is right. I'm kind of scared. have signal, a little one. Yeah, 4G, I don't know. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's 4G. But my internet, it's very low now. So let's check some 7 services. I have 5,220 MB. That's what it is. I don't know what that means. But yeah. Hopefully my internet works. So yeah, I want to show you this beautiful property. We can't go there. Let's go here. I'm just here because of, you know, signal. I don't have any signal. So that, I don't know if you can see it. There's a small, I know it's everywhere. I mean that small boat, it's a ro-ro boat or ship going to Abradillo. My stuff and me. I don't know if you can see me, but hopefully here you can see me clear. I think this one is better. I can't go inside. I'm just, you know. So yeah. Let's check if I got this one. So bad. So yeah. It's actually beautiful, but we can't go inside. This one is locked. I mean, there's no lock, but yeah, it's not allowed to go there. It's beautiful here. I need to go back to my friend. I'm just looking for good signal, but yeah, we can't go there. So yeah, it's beautiful here. Look at that. I want to show you how beautiful here. The sun is up, you know? It's beautiful. Let's go back. Because earlier, it's not too hot. Now, the sun is already there. And yeah, that's your view. We'll go there mamaya. I'll just uploading something. So yeah. I hope my friend is not pissed off of me. Let's go. Okay, let's go back. I'm done. The signal is so limited here. That's so bad. So this is your view. I'm the only one here. You wanna come? You can join me. I'm just kidding. The battery of my GoPro is already like 20%. So yeah, enjoy the beautiful view this afternoon. And it's actually nice to walk here. I don't know. The trail is actually okay. It's not scary. It's just sometimes there's a, you know, snake. No, I'm just kidding. Sometimes, only few. So, going back to my friend's resort. Hopefully he's there. They are fixing the resort. So I'm just looking for a signal. I don't have a signal, so I'm going here. It's actually nice to walk in the area. I forgot to bring my extra battery. Oh my god. My camera is so big. I don't know. I'm so lazy to carry the A6400 camera. So yeah, I just so yeah, that's your view. I want to swim actually, but I don't want to be wet, and they think maybe mamaya means later I can go for a swim. It's a beautiful private beach here. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Hopefully I can tour you more with here, and maybe next year you can check out this beautiful property here in Mindoro. It's beautiful here. It's quiet. It's very quiet here. And then it's also the main road is not fixed or not finished yet, but maybe one day. I mean, I don't know what year it will be finished, but yeah, the last time I'm actually here. Yeah, I'm walking there in the rocks, and it's actually really nice to chill in this area because it's just beautiful. And then yeah, I'm here, I think. Yeah, I'm there last time. So yeah, that's what it is. So you know what, I'm so shy to talk to my camera. So hopefully it's okay, diba? You can hear me well. I'll be used to it, like talking to my camera. And hopefully you can visit this beautiful island soon once this property is finished. Look at that. It's beautiful. You just need to be like careful. Check it out here because you don't know. Diba? So beautiful. La la la. I don't know if you can